Eddy's Misunderstanding.
Today, the friends have come to Summer Island.
Get it! Here we go! Eddy, you've got some great skills! Pororo! Buddy, let's show them what we're made of!
Okay, you got it. Here you go, Wham.
You got a good look at our skills! Hey, are you okay? Sorry. Let's take a break. I'm so thirsty. It looks like cola. It's mine. I'll give you some after me. Okay, time for a sip. Oh, sorry. Let me wipe it off for you.
What's wrong with you guys?
This is too salty. Who put this here?
That's not a drink, it's soy sauce. What's soy sauce? It's a natural seasoning used to flavor food. Soy sauce is salty on its own, but it makes food taste much better.
Oh, really?
Huh, no way.
It's true. I'll make you a yummy dish with soy sauce.
There's no way something this salty and black can be good.
I'm telling you, it's good for cooking.
I don't want any. Pororo, let's play another game.
Okay.
Eddy!
Let's go.
Here you go. I got it.
I'm going to show them how good soy sauce is no matter what.
Here, get it.
Let's stop playing.
I'm so tired. I'm hungry.
You guys are hungry too, right?
Yes.
Well, wait a minute. Yummy, yummy, Cooking Princess Loopy. Yummy, yummy food and healthy recipes. Happy, happy Cooking Princess Loopy. What is today's dish? Ta-da! Eddy, try this.
Smells good. Wow, it's good!
Really? Let me try. It's really good. Wow, it melts in your mouth.
Loopy, what is this?
Well, it's bulgogi. It's been seasoned with soy sauce.
Soy sauce? Soy sauce can taste this good?
What do you think? You didn't believe me before.
It's the best! So good!
I want some. My cute friend, oh, you monkey.
Hey, you shouldn't be eating the bulgogi!
The bulgogi made with soy sauce must be really good, if even Rhodey wants to eat it too.